Can you all write down in your notebook what is the full form of RISE strategy? Take 1 minute and write it.
दीदी मतलब शब्द क्या होता है?
हमने RISE strategy पढ़ा था. I will write down on the chat box.
Read illustrate data.
Read illustrate data.
Okay. RISE is equal to.
Calculation.
I have put down the question in the chat box. RICE, RISE.
Illustrate.
What was the full form of RISE? If anyone is done, you can show me a thumbs up. If anyone has done.
दीदी राइट स्ट्रेटजी फुल फॉर्म राइट करना है.
हाँ, लिखना है हमें, लिखना है. You have to write it down. And if anyone remembers, can you unmute yourself and tell me? If anyone remembers, can you unmute yourself and tell me?
टेक्स्ट बुक निकालना है.
नहीं, हमें RISE strategy का full form नहीं. Okay, I think we need to revise it. Okay, everyone will look at my screen now on my whiteboard. Okay. So the full form of RISE strategy was R stands for read. Read means we have to read the question first, okay? Read. I stands for illustrate. Illustrate means we have to draw. C stands for we have to compute. Compute means हमें solve करना है. Okay. Solve. SOLV. Okay. And we have E. E में क्या होता है? Explain. E में भी explain कि हमने ये solve कैसे solve किया. Okay. So whenever a question is given, we first read it, then we illustrate it. That means we draw it, we solve the question, and then we get the answer. All right.
मम्मी.
All right. We solve the question. So, please be on mute.
दीदी.
All right. So we have to remember this RISE always because now we are solving word problems. So we have to remember this RISE strategy. All right. Okay. Now children, today we are starting with a new sum and a new topic, that is, we all know what is money. सबको पता है what is money?
Yes.
What is money, Sonakshi?
Yes.
What is money?
पैसे.
Paise. Okay. Paise. Okay. Where do you use this money? Akila, where do you use this money?
दीदी जब हमें कुछ लेना रहता है तभी.
Yes. When we want to purchase something at that particular time, we use our money. So this money is very important in our day-to-day life. All right.
Buying.
Yes, for buying things, for purchasing things, when we go to a shop, when we go anywhere, we use this money. All right. So now today we are going to learn how do we add or subtract a given amount of money. Okay. If I give you some amount of money, and how do you calculate how much is left? All right. Now we have a question. If your mother gave you 10 rupees. Okay, everyone is going to listen to me first. your mother gave you 10 rupees and you went to a shop, okay, and you bought a packet of chips for 5 rupees.
सब सुन से
All right. You bought something for 5 rupees, that is a chips packet. So, now how many money will be left with you? Okay, I have started to get answers 5. Thank you.
তোর গুদে তোর হোলের ভিতরে তুই করতে তো লজ্জা লাগে না হাতে ঘুষরাছিস
मैम फिर से क्वेश्चन बताइए।
Okay. आपके पास आपकी मम्मी ने 10 रुपीज दिए हैं और आप दुकान में गए, आपने 5 रुपीज का एक चिप्स का पैकेट खरीदा, तो आपने दुकान वालों को, शॉपकीपर को 10 रुपीज दिए। तो हाउ मेनी रुपीज इज लेफ्ट विथ यू? आपके पास कितने पैसे बचेंगे?
दीदी 5
All right. So similarly, children, today we are going to study how to
दीदी
we
मुझे
add.
क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आया।
Okay,
I
okay.
didn't understand the question.
Mira, the question was, if I go to a shop and my mother has given me 10 rupees, okay, my mother has given me 10 rupees and I bought a chips packet for 5 rupees. How many money will be left with me? I have already started to get the responses. Now, everyone, look at the screen. So today's objective of our class is we will be able to add, subtract amount of money. Okay, so we will add, subtract the amount of money. Money is what we use every day. 10 rupees, 5 rupees. All right. So now, can you see on the screen? Okay. Yes, others, please be on mute, everyone.
दीदी आपको पता है क्या?
Please be on mute, everyone. All right. Chaitra, can you tell me what can you see on the picture? Picture में आपको क्या दिख रहा है?
दीदी
हाँ?
आपको पता है क्या? 20 रुपीज का भी कॉइन आया है।
Yes, yes. Thank you, Meera, for sharing it.
ये आपको मेन्यू दिख रहा है और खाने का रुपीज दिख रहा है।
All right, thank you. आपको मेन्यू दिख रहा है और खाने का रुपीज. Okay. So, thank you, Rakshit, for sharing this. All right, everyone. So, can you see here in the first one? There is one, I think this is one hotel. जैसे हम होटल में जाते हैं और हम होटल में जाके खाना ऑर्डर करते हैं ना, we order something, whatever you like. If you like idli, if you like dosa, if you like anything, हम ऑर्डर करते हैं, ठीक है? और हम ऑर्डर करते हैं, उसके बाद हमारे पास बिल आती है. Everyone, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. फिर हमारे पास बिल आता है. Then we have to pay the, yes. फिर हमें उनको मनी देना पड़ता है. तो यहाँ पे भी ना, there are few people वो होटल में गए हैं and they are having food. So now you can see a first thing. यहाँ पे you can see
डोसा। Jasmine डोसा।
Dosa. And how many rupees is dosa? 23 rupees.
23.
And there is Uttapa.
20 rupees.
Uttapa is also 28 rupees. Okay. Now,
We have to add.
all right, thank you, children. Please remember the norms of the class. हमें बीच में नहीं बोलना है. If you want to say anything, please put down on the chat box. Okay? Thank you. अभी everyone quickly. Now I want to find out the total कि मेरे कितने रुपीस हुए. I had one dosa for 23 rupees. and I had uttapam for 28 rupees. चलो let's calculate the total amount. हम कितने रुपीस देंगे शॉपकीपर को? टोटल कितना देंगे? And put the answer on the chat box. Waiting for answers. Yes, I've started to get the
दीदी
answer.
बुक में लिख सकते हैं?
हाँ, बुक में सॉल्व करो पहले. बुक में सॉल्व करके आंसर फाइंड करो आप. आपने एक शॉप में जाके एक डोसा खाया 23
दीदी
रुपीस
मुझे
का.
समझ नहीं आया.
Who wants to know? Can I know your name?
नेहा.
नेहा.
नेहा. ओके, नेहा आपको यहाँ मेरी स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रही है?
यस.
ओके, नेहा यहाँ पे ना आज हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? हम मनी को कैसे ऐड करते हैं. मनी इज व्हाट? पैसा, जो हम रुपीस यूज करते हैं. 10 रुपीस, 5 रुपीस, ठीक है. 20
दीदी.
रुपीस, 100 रुपीस.
41 रुपीस.
यूज द चैट बॉक्स. यूज द चैट बॉक्स. ओके, तो नेहा यहाँ पे जैसे हम किसी होटल में जाते हैं तो यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन देयर इज अ पिक्चर. दे आर सिटिंग इन अ होटल. ओके, वो खाना खा रहे हैं. तो अभी क्या हुआ है, हम जैसे किसी होटल में जाते हैं, वी ऑर्डर समथिंग. तो समझो हम भी इस होटल में गए हैं एंड वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड वन डोसा. यू कैन सी द फर्स्ट वन हियर, पिंक में जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डोसा. So dosa is for 23 rupees and uttapam is for 28 rupees. Now अभी हमें टोटल फाइंड करना है कि हम शॉपकीपर को कितने रुपीस देंगे. तो कैन यू डू इट इन योर नोटबुक? टोटल हमें कैसे मिलेगा? हमने क्वेश्चन को, हमने राइट स्ट्रेटेजी भी फॉलो की है. वी हैव रेड द क्वेश्चन. हमने रीड किया क्वेश्चन को. अब हम नोटबुक में ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं and then we can also find the answer.
टीचर ने बोला 23 का डोसा था और 28 का उत्तम था. तो उस
दीदी हमने चैट में टाइप किया है.
All right. I'm looking at the answer. Yes, Shruti, please check your answer. Shruti, अपना आंसर चेक करो एक बार. जियाना, please check your answer. वापस से सॉल्व करो. Yes, thank you, Pranav. Vinay, correct answer. Pranav Pawar, please check your answer again. Pranav, अपना आंसर फिर से चेक करो. Pranav Pawar. Correct answer. Akshay, Tanuj, Faisal, Sonakshi, Satyam, Jiana, Aradhya. Yeah, correct answer, everyone. All right. For this, I will solve it on my screen and show it to you. 23 and 28. Okay. Now pay attention, everyone. Look at the whiteboard, everyone. Okay. So our first step is we have read the question. हमने question read कर लिया है. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? Illustrate. Illustrate का मतलब होता है draw करना. ठीक है. तो हम शॉप में गए, वहां पे हमने क्या खाया? एक डोसा. तो वो कितने का था? 23 रुपीज. देन हमने एक उत्तपम भी लिया. ओके, वो कितने रुपीस का था? 28.
You are talking to.
Please be on mute. Please be on mute. I think it's Meera. Meera, please go on mute. Yeah. Okay. So now we need to find the total. That means dosa and uttapam. I had both of them. So how much money I'm going to pay together? So I'm going to add it. So plus sign. So now, how much will be this? So what will happen now? I will add, that is 23 plus
61.
28. Okay, so now we start adding from We
Didi,
start
58.
adding from the units place. 3 plus 8 is 11.
Didi, 50.
1 will go in the tens place. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1 will be 5. So this will become 51. So now I have to pay the shopkeeper how many rupees? 51 rupees. Okay. All right. Everyone. Now, can you all quickly find out for the next one? Can you see it, the second one? There is idli and coffee. Idli is for 15 rupees and coffee is for 8 rupees. Chalo, let's solve in the notebook, everyone. I will also do it and let's find out the answer. Next 2 minutes for this.
Mummy, 50 आणि 8. 8 काउंट करू ना 50 च्या पुढे. 50. मम्मी, मम्मी 50 च्या पुढे. Mummy. Mummy.
All right. If you have got the answers, you can put down on the chat box. I can see few responses coming. Okay, correct. Correct, Kirtana, Gianna, Laiba, Pranav Pawar, correct answer, Rakesh, correct answer.
बघू दे किती आता
Waiting for
तुझं.
others.
हा पहिला वाला
दुसरा पुढे दुसरा घेतलाय ना दीदीने. हे काय
Waiting for
घेतलाय
others.
घे बायला.
आणि 15.
All right. Done, everyone?
Yes.
All right. Next.
Yes.
I hope everyone is done with the answer. All right, done. All right, chalo. I can see everyone is able to add the money. Very good. Good job, everyone. Now let's come to a story problem, okay? On the next slide. Okay. I want Vinay, can you read out the question? First question.
दीदी आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
Vinay, can you please read out the question? Niyati, please check your internet. Log out करके वापस log in करवा.
Yes, दीदी.
Vinay. Okay, Tripti. Tripti Pandey, can you read out the first question?
Yes, दीदी.
First question आप read करोगे?
ओके दीदी। कहाँ है क्वेश्चन? रीड करो। कौन था? हाँ यहाँ पे। दीदी कैन आई लीड?
Yes, read.
देखा टिकर दीदी।
Yes, Rakshit, go ahead.
He worker. He bought a ball 17 rupees. How much money is left with him? मैंने पढ़ लिया दीदी, मैंने पढ़ लिया।
Okay, thank you, Rakshit. Shekhar has 32 rupees. He bought a ball for 17 rupees. Okay, how much money is left with him? So now, what is the question? Shekhar is having 32 rupees. Copy. Okay, let's see. Okay, so can you see on the screen? Shekhar has 32 rupees. He bought a ball for 17 rupees. How much money is left with him? So now what we will do? First, we will now draw. Okay. So there is one boy, Shekhar. He has how many rupees? 32 rupees. Okay. He bought a ball for 17 rupees. How many rupees? 17. So how much money is left? So out of 32 rupees, उसने कितने rupees दे दिए? 17 rupees दे दिया. So that means we will remove. So minus. And how much money is left with him, that we need to find. वो ढूंढना है हमें, ठीक है? So now what we are doing? We are subtracting 32 minus 17.
44.
Chalo, let's find out the answer, everyone.
Find out the answer. Is it negative? 44. Okay.
32 minus 17. You can put down on the chat box.
44.
This is carry borrowing sum.
1 liter cost.
If you are getting the answers, please put it on the chat box. Okay, I'm getting answers. Let me look out. 15. Okay. Please. Okay, I will also do it. I have 2. I cannot subtract 2, 7 from 2. So I will borrow from 3, from 10's place. Okay. So this will become 2 and this will become 12. So now 12 minus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. So now we have got that 15 rupees will be left with him when he has 32 rupees and gave 17 rupees for buying a ball? All right. I hope everyone has done this in the notebook. Children, the meeting will get over after 3
Teacher?
minutes.
दीदी
Yes,
क्लास कब खत्म होंगे?
10 more minutes, children. Meeting will get over after 3 or 4 minutes, but you have to rejoin again, okay? All are going to join again. Okay. So now, everyone, what happens here? क्या किया था हमने? In this sum, can you explain me what we did in this sum? अभी जो हमने sum देखा उसमें क्या किया था हमने? Apurva, can you tell us? Subtraction क्यों किया हमने?
क्योंकि उसको दिया था ना.
हाँ, तो उसके पास कितने रुपीस थे? How many rupees he had?
15.
कितना रुपीस?
32.
Yes, 32 रुपीस था. तो आप एक शॉप में गए और 32 रुपीस थे आपके पास, पर वो बॉल कितने रुपीस की थी?
17.
हाँ, तो आपने 32 में से कितना 17 रुपीस निकाल के दिया. तो 17 रुपीस इज हाउ मेनी? कितना टेंस एंड कितना वन? हाउ मेनी टेंस एंड हाउ मेनी वन? अगर आपको 17 रुपीस बनाना है तो आप कितना 10 रुपीस का नोट लोगे और कितना कॉइन लोगे?
दीदी 15.
15. नहीं, अगर आपको if you want to make number 17 and you are going to use the money, okay? So how many 10 rupees note you will take and how many coins you will take? 17 में how many 10 is there?
1.
Yes,
1 and 1. 7.
Yes. So 110.
7 rupees.
Yes, 110. That means 110 rupees note and 7 coins. Very correct answer. All right. Yes. So we will use the money like that. So here there are different conditions.
टीचर दीदी
Yes.
क्लास कब खत्म होंगे?
5 more minutes to go. All right. So now here we have different ways in which we can add or subtract the money, but we have to look at the question first. Okay. So sometimes it will be we are adding the money together. Sometimes we will be subtracting it. Like if we are finding the total of it, we add it together. But when we give away it to someone, we buy something, तो हमारे मनी स्पेंड हो रहे हैं ना, हम खर्च कर रहे हैं पैसे, तो दैट टाइम वी विल गिव द मनी टू द शॉपकीपर. दैट मीन्स वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. ओके, ऑलराइट. सो नाउ
दीदी दिन भर क्लास ही चालू रखना.
ओके, सो यू एंजॉय क्लास है ना?
यस दीदी.
ओके,
दीदी आप घंटा और पढ़ाओ ना.
क्या हुआ?